When your iPhone is disabled after entering the wrong passcode too many times, you can basically try again after a few minutes. However, if your iPhone is played by a mischievous child and the wrong passcode is repeatedly entered, you will get the iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes page. I understand your anger, but in this case you can only erase iPhone without passcode. How to enable an iPhone without iTunes or iCloud. Since a disabled iPhone won't connect with iTunes, you can use an AnyUnlock iPhone password unlocker to unlock a disabled iPhone without iTunes or iCloud. It allows you to unlock your iPhone when you forget the passcode and it's disabled. As a complete solution for unlocking iOS locks, AnyUnlock can get your iPhone out of this disabled mode with simple clicks. Firstly, click the link in the description to download and run AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac. Then connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer via USB. Then select Unlock Screen Passcode and click Start Now option. Then, put your iPhone into recovery mode and click to download firmware. It will take some time to download it. When the firmware is downloaded, then click Unlock Now. After screen passcode removed, set up your iPhone and you are done. All you need to do is access either the website or the app on another device and you will be able to unlock the device. On another iPhone that you have, open the App Store and download and install the Find My iPhone app on it. It is available at no cost on the official App Store. Log into your iCloud account in the app to start using the Find My iPhone feature. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see all of your Apple devices using the same iCloud account. Tap on your disabled iPhone in the list. You will find 3 options available to you. Tap on the last one that says Erase iPhone. After that, your disabled iPhone will be erased and it will remove the passcode from your device as well. Then you can set up the device from scratch and tap on Restore from iCloud Backup to restore an iCloud backup on your device. Of course, this method is only applicable to users who remember their iCloud account. If you purchased a second-hand iPhone, we still recommend that you use AnyUnlock to unlock it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.